Alright, so yeah, it's been a bit of a productive week this week. We've been down the Nat West Bank doing those 6 flats. Toby's back to work now after having a week out sick. So yeah, he's a lot better now, so thankfully he's back, so we can now start playing the catch-up game. Today we're over in Gillingham, so it's Saturday. Weather's alright, so a bit cloudy and whatever, so what's going on here? And yeah, so alright, so it's Saturday. Toby's back now, so I've calmed down a lot. It was a really stressful week last week. Yeah, so he's back. Had loads to do this week, so we've done quite well. We was down at Ramsgate on the Nat West flats, so getting another couple of those wired up. Toby went out on his own on Thursday because he had to go to hospital in the afternoon, so it made sense to put him out by himself. So he done some EICR remedial work, so well done, Toby. And then was doing some other bits and pieces as well during the start. So yeah, it's been quite a hectic week. Now we're out on a Saturday, just doing half a day. We've got a nice little shed that we're doing, so we're running an armoured cable from an external socket to power the shed. And then yeah, putting a socket and a couple of lights in there and a switch. So nice, easy day's work. So basically mounting a socket in a shed. And putting in a couple of lights. So we've got a socket there, we're going to spur above it with a 3 amp fuse in it. A light switch by the door. Everything's going to be done in black conduit, so up, across, around, to pick up a light well, pick up 2 lights on the ceiling. And at the moment, Toby's outside, just clipping an armoured around, which is going to come around and pick up on a double socket over here, which is on the ring final. So yeah. All right, so just timed that well. Weather's turned absolutely horrid. So Toby's done a nice job clipping the cable around, which comes in back of the shed for an IP rated whisker box, which then comes into a double socket, which is just down there. So this double socket is then spurred off with a 3 amp switch fuse spur, which then goes through some conduit down to a light switch by the door, and then we got 2 twin directional spots. So nice, easy half day job for a Saturday. So brilliant.